Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel drivinglessonscork.ie. Today we are going to do a little video today on the bite point. Now in this video the bite point relates to how you take off driving in a manual transmission car. I'm not going to go around biting everyone, don't worry. Okay, so just a few assumptions now before we go and talk about the bite point. When you go to take off in a manual car, we're assuming that you're on a flat road and you have the handbrake put down. Okay? And that you've checked your mirrors are positioned correctly and you're comfortable in your seat. Okay? Now, you want to go and take off, so you signal to pull off from the side of the road. Again, you check your mirrors, it's all clear, and you go to give a little bit of acceleration. You've put the foot in the clutch, you're in first gear. Now, you can accelerate all you want when you have the clutch in first gear. The bite point is all to do with the operation of the clutch pedal. Now, by accelerating, the car will go nowhere. It is only when you let the clutch out, little by little, at a certain stage, the car starts to actually move. At this stage, you have found the bite point when the car starts to move. What has happened is first gear has begun to engage with the engine and the car starts to move. Now you need to keep the bite point for 3 to 4 seconds while you're moving initially. Keep the foot on the clutch at the bite point with a bit of acceleration on too, to give the car a little bit of momentum. Now after 3 or 4 seconds are up, then you can then come slowly off the rest of the clutch, and the accelerator solely determines how fast or otherwise you're going. If you're at a blind corner and you're stopped on a flat road again with the handbrake down, you're ready to go, you might need to hold the bite point for 5 or 6 seconds or longer as you move off while you're looking around, going through the junction from having been stopped at the blind side of the junction. And the bite point is also used in hill starts, but I'm not going to go through that here. It's a little bit more complicated than taking off on a flat road. So if you have a good driving instructor, they will explain that to you. And literally it's the same process as taking off on a flat road. It's just sequence is slightly different. It's to do with when you drop the handbrake. But I'm not going to explain that now because it's a bit more complicated, and a video like this is not the right place to explain that. So folks, if you like what I've explained already regarding the bite point, hopefully it'll be of some value to you in your attempt to get learning how to drive. Please do like the video, subscribe to our channel, and then click the bell notification icon so you get a notification of future videos from our YouTube channel. So folks, thanks for looking at the video this evening, and until next time, bye for now. We'll talk to you later.